In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe checkout with Afterpay. This setup can be a game changer for your business by providing more payment flexibility to your customers. So, grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to stripe.com. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the web page where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on this to proceed. You might already have a Stripe account, but if you don't, make sure you set one up before continuing. It's a straightforward process that requires just a few details. Next, you'll need to enter your email address and password. This is your regular Stripe login. If you've forgotten your password, there's a handy link right there to help you recover it, so don't fret. Once you've entered your credentials, go ahead and click on the Sign In button to access your Stripe dashboard. Upon signing in, you'll find yourself on the home page of the Stripe dashboard. It's time to direct your attention to the settings, which is a critical step in this integration process. The settings icon usually resembles a gear and is located somewhere in the sidebar, so find that and click on it to move forward. Within the settings menu, steer towards the Payments section, which falls under Product Settings. This section of Stripe's dashboard is quite user-friendly and designed to guide you through various options for managing payments on your platform. Once you've clicked on Payments, you'll find an option titled Payment Methods. Give this a click. It's the gateway to configuring what method your customers can use during the checkout process. Now, continue to scroll down until you spot Afterpay. Afterpay is a fantastic option because it allows your customers to split their purchase into more manageable payments without any interest, which can help in boosting sales. And there you have it. You have successfully navigated through the Stripe dashboard to locate and prepare to activate Afterpay for your checkout process. This configuration can enhance your e-commerce platform by offering customers more choices and improving their overall shopping experience. I hope this tutorial has made the setup process straightforward and easy. Thank you for watching and consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials like this one. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. We'll see you in the next video.